Okay, so anyway, just before I get started with playing the higher or lower game, I would just like to say I got 5 subs today. Yay. Probably gonna go down back to 4, but who cares? The thing is that I have not had a subscriber for a few months now, and pretty much going next year to high school. That's all I can fucking say. I don't know what else to say about this, but pretty much my videos are going a little bit more better. But the thing is, I deleted every game, and also I have nothing else to do, so I decided to play a trending game, and that's between our times. And let's get started to it. Anyway, as you can see, it's 10 p.m. in the morning. But fuck, 10 p.m. at night. And I just want to say that either I may be able to go ahead and just go play on Xbox, or go, you know, the freaking skip thing is down in the description below. You can go ahead and check that out while I'm talking right now. But anyway, as I was saying before, pretty much I don't know if I'm ever gonna go on Xbox gaming or even computer gaming, because pretty much my Xbox is shitty, and pretty much my computer is now a Chromebook, and I work on it, don't play on it. And I just got a voice crack, which is part of our teenage lives. By the way, I try to search for some fucking game. No, this is what I typed in the video, because I thought it's okay, fucking okay. No, you never saw that. Anyway, as I was saying, let's get started with the video. No, put it on the fucking other side. Okay, I'm sorry. You know, maybe if we could do a split screen, but you know, you have to. Come on, let's go. Let's wait. Fuck you. Go see Bill Gates. I'm right. No. Yeah. Jeez. No. Yeah. Inception? Yeah. David Cameron. Many people know David Cameron. Oh, it's the same, yeah. Rose Bowl. Yeah, no one gives a shit about that. Steven Spielberg. Everyone loves that guy. Okay, I guess not everyone on Facebook, because I know people look at Facebook. Oh, see, no. It's no. Alcohol. Yeah, I'm on 10 right now. Well, people don't search up religion that much, but that's a lot. Poverty. Fuck. Ugh. Beautiful. Let's get fucked up. Also, I'm sorry. Oh, look at those headphones. Too bad I have another one. Fuck off. Yeah. Pretty much no. Yeah. No, I don't know her. Are you joking me? Are you fucking... No, anyway, if you guys actually want me to keep going with this later on, then I will. Fuck, why was I thinking that? What's wrong with me? Oh, you already saw that. Cocaine's lower. That Leonardo is higher. We know that. Summer is lower. We know that. Fuck Toyota. You know that. Discrimination. And I'm a teenager, for Christ's sakes, and I almost died. Yusuf. Whew. Universal. What? I guess people don't go to Universal, they go to fucking Disney. And I said that wrong. I said Disney. I said Disney. So I'm sorry. Hallucination. People who watch Game of Thrones, I'm sorry. Engagement rings. No. Okay, phew. Wait, what? Fuck, I thought. So. What is it? That one, fucking shit. Clash of Clans, I play that game. Holy fucking shit. Okay, No one gives a fuck about this shit. You know, I mean, some people do, but not me. Sorry. I'm trying to pass 11, skipping this video. So anyway, as you can see in my voice, I forget to go ahead and say "oh" with it, so I'm sorry about that. Anyway, we love restaurants. Duh. I know I go into some ads, but this. Why? This is where you show the world that this is the new ad, and fuck, I said that. That is so horrible. I am so happy I skipped the video. Because, lung cancer. It's the same. My Cyrus. I heard he was famous. Dark shot, I'm sorry, buddy. Inception. I knew that was higher because I've seen it. Benjamin Franklin. I guess they don't care about presidents that much. I don't think he was a president. I don't know. There. Bitcoin. What do they fucking call it? Bitcoin? Which hipsters are? They're fucking joking. People would love. Okay, fucking never mind. Yeah, I don't think people care that much. A slave? And people would totally watch that. Sorry. I don't really watch Japan. Because that's a state of era. Fuck's sakes. I just realized I was recording this. Sorry about the fucking hands. I can't see the pictures. Oh. I heard that El Rubis was. Holy crap. Tunisia has to be higher. Is that? What is wrong with that guy? I don't know, homie. That bastard. Are you joking? Yeah, horse head. Oh god. Blackfish. People love blackfish. You know what? Never mind. I don't think people like blackfish. It's okay. Holy fucking shit! I did not realize that. Oh, people love that. You know, yeah. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, you know, capitalism. Thank God. No, I love pressing higher. What if I press lower? Or lower. Or higher. Fuck. Why did I not keep going with lower? Shut up about your shitty items that aren't real. Yeah, I don't think that's Canada. You know, something like sound like Markiplier when he's sick, man. It's I think shit. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm just done.
Then try again.
There you go. Let's see. Are you joking? Anyway, I better stop ending the video with me just saying swear words and just going ahead and go saying "fuh," but I don't say the real word on camera. So that really sucks, and I'm sorry about that. And I'm actually sorry I don't add music to this like I would, but I really just don't want to mess up the video, and you guys don't want to hear the sounds, which actually aren't. Fuck's sake. You know what? I think I added music. There might be a few music. It might stop. I don't know. Whatever. But anyway, all I want to say, thank you for 5 subs, I guess. And I might just play this game again. Try to get a high score. But anyway, that'll be it. Anyway, see you guys later.